Smart Admin Tweaks is an easy to use plugin that contains over 20 useful tweaks for WordPress. There are many things you can set up using this plugin, and most of these settings are not available directly through any other means. All tweaks are separated into 3 panels. First one is called Tweaks, where you will find all sorts of different tweaks for controlling revisions, auto-saving, shortcodes, and many other things. Header contains tweaks for removing links and other elements from WordPress front-end header, and global are settings that affect users and authentication at this moment. This panel, if plugin is used in WordPress multi-site in network mode, is available only in network admin, and tweaks and header will be available to all websites in the multi-site. If you're using normal WordPress website, you see all 3 panels, and here you have a short about page. How the plugin works: you simply choose a tweak you want to use. You have a name, description, and additional settings for some. Simply set what you want and enable a tweak here. So very easy to do. Most tweaks don't have any additional settings except for the setting to enable the tweak. For instance, if you want to disable some of the widgets on the dashboard, let's say we want to disable some of them, select widgets you want to disable and enable and activate the tweak here. Also, you can disable some of the widgets for sidebar. You can select which widgets you want to disable here. We'll leave only tweaks and let's say tag cloud. All other widgets will be disabled. Activate the tweak here, save, and if you go to WordPress dashboard, you will see that most default widgets are gone. The same thing will happen if you go to widgets panel, and as you can see, only tag cloud and text widgets are available. All other widgets are removed. If you want to enable at some point widgets back, either disable this tweak or enable back some of the widgets you want. There you go. With global, you have interesting options to disable some of the default contact methods. As you can see, there are 3 default methods available. We'll leave only Yahoo, and we'll add some new ones. So this is the 5 contact methods that will be added. If you go to edit profile, you will see it here. Yahoo is available from the old one, and 5 new are available here. This still doesn't mean that even when you do this, you will get edit capabilities and saving for these contact methods, but you still need to create a code to display each of these method manually. Plugin doesn't do that for you. Useful tweaks are for controlling autosave, trash, and revisions. You can set up autosave interval in how many seconds WordPress will autosave each post you're editing, and you can totally disable autosave. This is not recommended due to some considerations that might things might get broken if you disable autosave. You can also set up the interval when the WordPress will automatically empty trash, and you can totally disable auto trash deletion. And you can control revisions. Right now WordPress is set to have unlimited number of revisions. You can limit it by setting to 0 and disable revisions. Setting this to 0 and enabling disables all revisions. Or you can set how many revisions WordPress will save. Since WordPress 3.5, XML RPC cannot be disabled, so this tweak will do it. And there are plenty of other tweaks you can use. For instance, JPEG compression quality, which is set to 90% by default for all resized images. You can set it to higher or lower value from here. Header tweaks are very interesting because they can control elements in the WordPress front end header block for each page. If you take a look